guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today I kind of on a subject concerning friendship. I feel like I'm a great person to speak on friendship, being that I just got done with a probably like 12-15 year relationship. I was blindsided by some things. The video is already out, so go watch that video and then come back to this one for the signs. So we're going to get started with the first sign. The first sign that you know your friendship is not real, or you're entering a not so good place in your friendship, is if you're a jokey person and you like to laugh and giggle, and the friend is looking at you like you're crazy. They're literally like staring you, like just this look in their face like, what are you doing? That is one sign for sure that your friend has an issue with you somewhere. Okay, take that sign, trust me. Number two, this is another sign that your friendship is not in a good place, is if you get this exciting news and you're excited and the only person you want to tell is your best friend, and you go to your best friend and you tell your best friend, oh, this, that, and the third happened, and you're these wonderful things are happening, and they be like, oh, okay, that's good. Honey, if I come to you with my good news, I want you to be just excited as me, because you're my friend. I don't want to come to you and tell you my wonderful news and I'm excited about it, and then you say, that's good. Your friendship is not in a good place. Okay, number three. This is another sure sign that your friendship is not in a good place. If you, okay, I'm going to speak on this because I've personally been through all of them. But this one is one that I was still, even with seeing it, I still was like, maybe that's just in that moment. Because, you know, videos and photos, you just never know. If you are taking photos or you're doing videos with a person, with your friend, your best friend, and you go back and you look at your pictures or you look at your videos that y'all have together, and you see them looking at you crazy in your videos or your photos, you'll see them like staring at you like, if you catch any of that in your videos or your photos, your friendship is not in a good place. Take the hint, okay? For real. Take the hint. They hate you, they don't like you, something ain't right. Check your friendship or let the person go. Okay, another issue is if you're in a friendship and y'all have disagreements, which you probably will, and you go to your friend and you trying to, you know, y'all want to reconcile, make everything right, get the things together, and this person says to you they ain't done nothing wrong, or they don't see where they done something wrong, or they can't just apologize for what they did wrong, let it go. Because I'm going to speak on my own experience in this situation. In this situation, I always was the one apologizing. This person never saw themselves as wrong. They never could apologize. They never did. Never. Never. Sad, but very true. It was a little narcissist there. So, and they didn't see themselves as wrong. So, I had to exit stage left. Well, not right away. Until the kaboom happened. Like I said, if you've seen that video, yeah. Another, which is number 5. I think I did number 4. Yeah, number 5. If you, I'm thinking about my own situation because I don't want to give y'all no, you know, I want y'all to know. That's what I'm saying. I want y'all to know what's going on. I really don't want anybody to be blindsided by this mess no more. Because people have lost their lives to phony friendships. So, just be aware. So, number 5, if you like going through something, if you're going through a hard time, don't get me wrong. I want to clarify this in so many ways, because this can be a double-edged sword here. if you're going through something and you end up in a situation where you don't know how things will end up, like I'm gonna just use my situation for example. We moved to a new state. We did not find a place right away. She already had moved here. She moved here a year early. So we moved here, but we couldn't seem to find a place right away because it was hard to, you know, to do. It was hard to find a place being in Roanoke and then, you know, trying to find a place here was very difficult. It was a lot of scams going on. It was just crazy. So we had a hard time finding a place. And my husband, I was against it, but my husband said, you know, it made sense because we couldn't be on the streets. So he went to this person with me right there, and he asked this person, could we live with them? It was only for a few months so we could, you know, get our own place. If you live with this person and this person treats you as if you're a stranger, or they just a stranger, like they don't treat you right, or you're in their home and they act like you're like a disease or something, let it go, because it's not going nowhere. And I'm telling you this because, and I want people to know this, I want the world to know this, because friendships can be great, they can be really good, but both people have to be willing to make the friendship work. I was willing to make the friendship work, and I tried to for years, but I have been given signs. People have been telling me, you know, and I was blind to everything, y'all. I literally shook everything off the table for this person because I did not want to see what everybody was seeing, but it hit me in the face. So that's why I wanted to make this video. It's nothing, you know, it ain't all glamorous. It ain't all like, you know, this magical video, whatever, but it's a real video. It's a video giving y'all something that I feel like everybody could use. You need to be careful who you calling a friend. You need to be careful who you saying, this is my best friend, this is my, you know, sister, whatever. You need to be careful because you could be getting yourself into something. You can be getting set up. My situation was a complete setup. I don't believe it started that way, but I believe over time with me communicating with this person and talking to this person and telling my personal business to this person, I feel like they started to form a way, you know what I'm saying, and basically wanted to X me out of it so they can get what they wanted, which was the ultimate prize. I have a good husband, which was the prize, was to get my husband. That was the prize for this person. They couldn't find a man. They couldn't keep a man. They had multiple this, multiple that. But my man wanted me only and wanted to be with me only and wants to be with me only and loves me only. And this person's seen all of that. And to them, it was like, man, I can't find it, so let me try to take it. You need to be careful. I was warned. I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, I didn't receive no signs. The signs weren't there. I had every sign possible, y'all. I had every sign that you could see. I had the signs. I had sign and signs, okay? Sign, sign, sign. I mean, I chose to say, you know what? I don't care about it. I don't care about the signs. Because in my mind, I thought I could fix this person. And you can't fix a person. A person has to want to change. And if they don't want to change, you have to move forward. You can't stay with that. You can't stick with that because it's not going anywhere. You're going to end up in the same cycle. It's not a good place. You have to let it go. And y'all, I'm talking about I want to say we were friends for probably 10 to almost close to 15 years. Y'all, we were pregnant together. Y'all, this definitely hit on a different level. And that's why I'm going to continue to speak on this, because you have to be careful who you trust. And like I said, I don't want to make this video all long and stuff like that, but I did want to get my point across in the situation. I wanted to let y'all know, and I wanted to be, you know, informed. I got more coming. I have more coming because I was blindsided. I was blindsided. And I'm thanking God that he was with me the whole time. Because y'all, through this whole process of what I went through with this friend, the blessing about it is, when we were living with this person, I the whole time didn't feel comfortable with us all living together. This person was so upset that we couldn't live together, which was odd to me, because it's like, why are you so mad because I want to live in my own place with my kids and my husband? Why was that such a big, huge thing? Why was it such a, why? I'm married. We don't need to be living with other women in our house. And it's just, and this person just could not understand it. And now I know why. So, like I said, you always want to, I don't want to say go into anything already guarded. I mean, I'm going to go into it like that because, hey, look, what I went through was traumatizing. Okay? It was traumatizing. Okay? And I ain't walking into nothing no more. Wide open. No more. I'm going to keep the guard where it is until I can feel like it's a genuine situation. Because I wish this on nobody. When it comes to a friend, they should not be trying to take you out. They should not be trying to take your kids out. They should not be trying to take your man. If you got any of those scenarios in your hand, release it. Because it ain't going nowhere. And I do want to say this because I need to end this video, y'all. This is getting a little long. Okay? We at 12:09. Okay? So, sis finna end this. And I'll be back with more videos like this because I feel like I got some stuff I need to share with you guys. You need to know. And like I say in all of my videos, if they serve you no purpose, let them go. Let him go. Let her go. Let them go. Period. And y'all have a blessed and wonderful day, night, wherever you're watching this video. And I'll talk to you guys next time.